Golfing is a great way to get some exercise and enjoy the outdoors, but lugging around your clubs and equipment can be a real hassle. That's where golf push carts come in. These handy tools allow you to easily transport your gear around the course, freeing up your hands and saving your back and shoulders from all that unnecessary strain. If you're in the market for a golf push cart, you may be feeling overwhelmed by the vast array of options available. With so many different brands, models, and features to choose from, finding the right one can be difficult. Don't worry, we've got you covered. This buying guide is designed to help you navigate the world of golf push carts and make an informed decision about which one is ideal for your needs. We'll go over the different types of models available, the features to look for, and a few of our top picks to help you purchase one of the premier golf push carts of 2023. Let's go. Number 1. Serene Life Golf Push Cart. With a super sturdy aluminum frame and 3 high-quality wheels under it, this cart is certainly built to last. It has lower and upper brackets accompanied by an elastic strap, allowing you to hang any size of a golf bag on it. Because of its 3 ball bearing wheels, this golf push cart is super easy to maneuver. They're incredibly well balanced and smooth enough to provide excellent on-field mobility. As the cherry on top, there's also a quick rear braking system to keep your cart from slowly rolling away when it's idle. In fact, it's this pick's appearance, along with its high-quality, maneuverable design, that earns this sleek-looking cart the top spot amongst our picks overall. Number 2. KVV Golf Push Cart. The KVV Golf Push Cart is a compact and lightweight cart designed for easy transport and storage. It features a 3-wheel design for stability and maneuverability, and it can be easily folded down for storage or transport in the trunk of a car. The cart itself is made of high-quality materials, including a sturdy aluminum frame and rubber treads on the wheels for added traction and stability on the cart path. It only weighs 13.6 pounds, so pushing it between holes is way less of a hassle than carrying all your equipment around all day. It comes in 4 different color combinations with black, including green, yellow, charcoal, and blue, so feel free to take your pick. While looks don't matter more than practicality for a product like this, the design of this particular cart certainly takes the cake. From an aesthetic point of view, all other options look more or less the same. Number 3. ClickGear Golf Push Cart. The ClickGear Golf Push Cart is an excellent accessory for any golf enthusiast. This incredibly lightweight yet durable 3-wheel cart is designed to provide maximum maneuverability and convenience. It is designed with aircraft-grade aluminum tubing that is scratch-resistant and extremely durable, allowing years of reliable use. This cart weighs only 21 pounds and folds to a compact 13 inches by 15 inches by 24 inches size. The push cart also features an adjustable silicone strap system to securely hold golf bags and an adjustable upper saddle to ensure a perfect fit. There is also a lower saddle support to avoid rubbing on the front wheel. Plus, it includes a built-in storage console with scorecard, golf ball, pencil, and tee holders, as well as a large storage net for additional accessories and personal items. One of the unique features of the ClickGear Model 4.0 is its parking handbrake. This simple-to-use braking system prevents the cart from rolling when parked. Number 4. Tankkoola Golf Push Cart. The Tankkoola Golf Push Cart is another foldable variant that's just as feature-rich and well-made as the ones we've already covered. But, this cart also has a special trick hidden away. It has an entire seat built into it. It's designed to give you and your legs some rest between shots, which can go a long way toward enhancing your endurance as a player, especially near the late stages of a game. Even better, the handle position is completely adjustable, and it'll be flexible enough for you whether you're a teenage hobbyist or an aspiring pro adult. Overall, this golf push cart is a solid choice for most golfers, especially if you can appreciate the built-in seat, which is easily its standout feature. Number 5. Bag Boy Golf Push Cart. The Bag Boy Golf Push Cart is the most on our list, which automatically makes it the most premium as well. While the price difference is a bit high, the cart certainly has a few special features that can be immensely important to some players, especially if you take the game seriously. For instance, it opens using nitro piston technology, providing you with the ultimate luxurious experience as opposed to the manual operation of most other options in the market. The cart is also equipped with several convenient perks including a built-in beverage holder, a scorecard console, a device holder, and a golf ball storage slot. It also has a handle-mounted parking brake system to keep the cart stationary while you are playing a shot. This golf push cart is designed to be sturdy and stable enough to handle even the heaviest of loads, So feel free to purchase it if you don't like to make compromises on the equipment you carry, and have the budget for it.